again, I guess rediscovering it. Success they had early in the year has escaped them here of late, and they're looking to get back to the things that helped them out earlier on in the...
Look out here.
It might be a 3-on-2. Stahl got it to the middle. Good cut across by Keith, and then a shot stopped by Lankinen as the Hurricanes in the game's first shift get an odd man rush.
Jeremy Colleton too happy. Watch here. This puck's going to move here right there. Look at the backhand by Pesce, and it just hits him. Lankinen finds it. It just hits him.
Got help from Aho. Hamilton a long shot. Oh, good save by Hamilton by Lankinen. The rebound cleared back the other way. Now the Canes back to the attack. Vinny Trocheck, who just rejoined, and passed it to himself. Shot it, and a save. Lankinen hit him up high. Rebound taken by Fossey. Center one. It bounces loose in front. Back out to Fleury. His long shot. Lankinen stops that, and the Hawks need a whistle and a...
The ice, a little self-pass to himself, and then takes the shot, and then it's just a mad scramble from here.
And he wins it. A long shot, Bean, and a save. Rebound. Lankinen had to just elude the near post. Now Hagel looking for Kubalik. Martinuk, here they come. Lorentz going wide. Got it right around DeHaan. Right to the net. A shot. Save. Lankinen. Rebound. Taken by the Hawks, and Carpenter trying to settle things down.
The majority of the play has been down here in the Blackhawks zone, and Steven Lorenz, the big center iceman, takes the puck to the net.
4 minutes. Face-off win for the Hurricanes. A long flip shot is blocked. Rebound. And Lankinen able to stop an Aho attempt. Now the Hurricanes to the attack. Aho threw it to the middle. Good stick to Dorf. Then it bounced loose. Hammond. A good save by Lankinen.
The former general manager of the Carolina Hurricanes, the legendary Ronnie Francis. Niederreiter gets it. The puck is rolling. He was waiting the whole time there. Our friend Cheetah, the great Chris Chelios, had a 15-game run back in 95-96.
Boquist dropped it. Here's Doc with a wrist shot. That hit a leg out in front of the net.
Good idea there by Kirby to just fire it at the net.
Janmark for Boquist. He tried to center. A shot by Keith was blocked.
There's something you could feed off of there. The best shift of the game for the Hawks.
Janmark trying to make something happen here. Right to the backhand. Couldn't get rid of an attempt. Drops it to Murphy. A long shot. Soaked up by Nedeljkovic with Doc lurking, but no rebound available.
Get it every once in a while. Just give a little bit of a different look.
DeBrincat couldn't get it past Hamilton, who tried a long shot that's handled by Lankinen. McGinn. Now Stahl is checked. But the Canes take it out. Here's a wraparound. Save made by Lankinen. Great effort there from Warren Foegele.
Murphy keeps him to the outside. I think Foegele probably could have taken another step there if he wanted to, but got the pressure coming from Murphy in his own zone. And
Keith kept it alive. Tees up a long one. Save Nedeljkovic. Rebound. Janmark threw it in front. Oh, that hit a leg. Coming back to the corner, and the Canes on it. He's challenged by Natchez. Murphy there to meet him. It's dropped back. A long flip shot. In and out of the glove of Lankinen. And Keith able to clear it away. Now a loose puck. It's taken by Kubalik. And he tried to get forehand. Great stick. Pesce prevented a shot. Niederreiter to the other end is checked. And
not exact, but the understanding of the positioning and being able to slide over from right to left to be able to seal that post and keep the puck from crossing the goal line.
Brady Shea. And his pass picked off by Murphy. Chased down by Strome. He's got a 2-on-1. Dylan Strome cuts in with Janmark. Strome, the shot. Score! Dylan Strome! A snapshot for his first goal for his new daughter. And the Blackhawks have the lead.
Well, Kirby Doc makes the play on the boards, Pat. He chips it by the D. I believe that was Brady Shea, and then Dylan Strome waits and goes short side on Nedeljkovic. Wait, and finds the back of the net, but Kirby Doc makes the play.
It bounced loose to Zadorov, who tapped it ahead to Kane. He looks for Suter. There goes DeBrincat up the left side. DeBrincat with a snapshot, handled by Nedeljkovic. Soderberg rings it around. Slavin. Great play to the middle. And then a stick lift by Kane. He stripped it, and they score! The Canes had clean possession. Should have been an easy clear. Patrick Kane with a stick lift. And Alex DeBrincat the finish. The Hawks come through on the power play.
Well, it's Brett Pesce that turns the puck over because of the quick stick by Kane, and then Kane moves it over to the Cat, and he buries it. Hawks had nothing going on that power play. Slavin made a heck of a play, as you mentioned, Pat, and then Pesce, instead of shooting it right away, he thought he could make an extra stick hand.
Achisto came up with it, threw it across. Bean couldn't hold the pass. It would have been a good look. Now it's Aho trying to get to the front of the net. Where'd the puck go? The goal is up.
And then the wraparound here by Aho gets a step on Zadorov. Good help from Camp, and then there you see.
The right side cuts in. A wide open Boquist. Lets it go. Hit the goal post. He might have got the crossbar with that high, hard snapshot.
Chris walks in, elevates it right over the glove, and gets nothing but iron. Brady Shea, that was a good play by Kane defensively.
Urashev gets in there, dropped it, quick shot. Suter, good left pad from Nedeljkovic. Sorry. He did there just what he was talking to Eddie Olczyk about, that terrific first intermission interview. Last can be your friend. Now that Kane's trying to make something happen. Murphy broke up the pass from Trocheck.
We have an Olympics. I think Austin Matthews would be a heck of a center iceman for 88 Red on the Blackhawks.
They train together and are great friends. Terrific respect among those two guys. Kane trying to make something happen, but the pass from Trocheck broken up. He's got it again. Dropped it. Shea shot it. Redirect just missed. Now Svechnikov. Vogel came up with it. Vogel trying to fight up through Keith. He did. His shot is stopped by Lankinen. Rebound taken by Kane. And the Hawks look to get the other way. Then he taking a look. Niederreiter with a stop shot and a save. Lankinen able to hug the near post on Nino. A pass picked off by Suter. Couldn't get it out. Taken by Aho. He dropped it. Fleury driving the net. Trying to shot. And a save by Lankinen. Able to hang on. Again had his shot blocked. Taken by Foegele. Back out to the line. Slavin's long one deflecting. And Lankinen bats it away. Oh, we made a second save. Foegele able to advance that rebound chance.
A shot from the point from Jacob Slavin. That puck got knocked down by Kirby Dach. Lankinen finds it in the glove, and then Foegele and McGinn.
Here's a 50-50. Who's going to get this one? The Canes do. Shea threw it to the middle. They score! A 50-50 faceoff that the Hurricanes got. Shea just threw it to the front of the net and redirected in, and Carolina is on the board.
And I'm not sure if Svechnikov touches this puck on the flyby. The shot. Man, does this change direction here, Pat? Yes, it does.
Yep.
It goes up.
Hagel put it across. There's Camp with a snapshot. Oh, good glove from Nedeljkovic. That was a heck of a look.
To Camp. I love how Murphy goes. And look at the faceoffs, Pat. We talked about it in the open. Jordan Staal 11-0.
12-0 now.
And up over 66% of the game. Dylan Strome.
Now Slavin. With a long wrist shot. Deflected. Gut set. Lankinen rebound. Taken by Janmark. Couldn't get anywhere though. And it's going to be offside if they touch it. They got to tag up. Hawks win. Evan Lankinen. The story of the game in the first period. This could have been a Carolina runaway.